It is Vlogmas day 11, still strong, still going, and I am so happy because today I will share with you a simple Christmas keto cookie recipe and also open our advent calendar like the tradition says. Santa's little elf is ready to light up your holidays. Today's lucky house is this one. The card, the treat. Today's card is Holiday Puzzle from Disney. If you've seen the previous videos, I've already made one of the 4 puzzles of Disney, so today will be the second one. Let's create some Christmas mood first. Forest scented candles, still best for Christmas. The puzzle that we will be making today is this one, 48 pieces. Let's just find the pieces first. We are going to need this. Okay, first of all, we have to find one piece from here. I think that this one, so we are looking for squares. Ready to start the puzzle. And the 2 last pieces for today's puzzle. This one goes here. We are done! And here it is with the previous puzzle. I can't wait to complete them all. Now let's go and bake some cookies. To make these cookies we will need ground almonds, a sweetener of your choice, it might be sugar, erythritol, xylitol, whatever, some cinnamon, clove powder, nutmeg powder, egg whites, almond extract, and maybe some vanilla. They turned out wonderful. Find the recipe at the pinned comment.